Since the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic, the government of Sierra Leone has closed down all places, especially social gathering, which has seriously affected the general public. Many organizations are complementing the efforts of government in the COVID-19 fight. However, over the years, most of the needs of the war-wounded and amputees have not been met by the government of Sierra Leone, considering recommendations from the Truth and Reconciliation Commission (TRC), which state government should include war victims in terms of support. Amongst those who are heavily affected are the war-wounded and amputee victims who survived the country's 11-year civil war a few decades ago. These people live by public solicitations, as many of them have no livelihood, no jobs, or a way to generate income.
I get some of my company there with no land job, so life can difficult, especially when they say lockdown. You can get them 3 days lockdown, it can difficult because it gets on certain disabled, pass it come up for the day before he will forget what they eat. So since when this outbreak come, things are very, very difficult. Even somebody will be done, they go meet for help. But from where this issue come, believe you me, possible plans help yourself. You go there now for assistance, you go tell you, say, would they fed sick?
The Melqosh mission, which is an international non-profitable organization, has been very supportive to these war-wounded and amputee victims for over 12 years now. The organization received a donation from the New Life with Limbs and the Creek to support 375 war victim families, 143 at Makini, 17 at Bumbuna, 41 at Fadugu and Kabbalah. Each of them received a bag of rice, face masks, bundles of water, hand-washing buckets, antibacterial soaps.
Not today, they don't start for we. Don't for long, then they do we good. They kept picking them for the school. So today, today, this problem I will be part. Can't give we donation like this. Tell them plenty thank you. I could give them more and more.
I feel good today. I really appreciate God for the life of Pastor Faith, for such a timely intervention, especially a difficult time, challenging time like this, for donating water, soap, and rubber for wash your hands.
Well, I get a particular thing here today, I feel good. Because I don't sort in nothing, no day in your hand, nothing, no day. This one I want better now. Tell God thank you.
Makeni district is in the northern province, the main town of Bombali district, and was among the districts that were heavily affected by the 11-year civil war.
Well, our travel to the provinces was actually difficult. So it only took, love that we have for our colleagues and also those in the team. They had love and sympathy for the suffering of the victims. So some areas we even compromise, our respect, only to have our way through.
From the New Life with Limbs and the Creek working in partnership with Melqosh Mission International to the victims living in Makeni and other regions.
The situation of the war victims have been deplorable because of their condition. Most of us could no longer fend for ourselves. So we largely depend on support from people. And in this drive, Melqosh Mission has been a blessing to us for the past 10 years.
The donors then send me for Kangi this supplier. And apparently we go for left on just now, we go Kabbalah, we go as far as Fadugu and come back Maburuka.
Beneficiaries for this donation are war amputees, war wounded victims, and some war widows in the Makeni, Bumbuna, Kambia, Fadugu and Kabala in the north.
Well, what will go be the message? I know say faith there no problem there. We would they need. We still appeal to them, but let them not forget you. Let them speak with the member.
You can see the place. Everybody they feel like everybody's so happy because this go able for take somebody for some week or some months, etc.
The lockdown imposed by the government of Sierra Leone has worsened situations of most of the war victims. Because of their condition and the country's situation, most of them are street beggars.
Sorry. Only big in a big with the bigger streets. In a street beggar. Because I'm not fortunate to get it amputee.
Before the outbreak, the Melqosh Mission International has been very supportive in health, education, food aid in crisis program, and more. Beneficiaries from this donation are war amputees and some war-wounded victims in the Makeni, Bumbuna, Kambia, Fadugu and Kabala. Pastor Faith Okrafo-Smart, vision carrier of the Melqosh Mission International, has promised that other victims will benefit from the help which will be in the next phase of the distribution.